I got a 2023 Kia Forte key fob here. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. Turn it over. You have a little button right here at the bottom that you're going to press and hold down with your thumb. And then you're going to pull out the emergency key. That releases the emergency key right at the bottom. Okay, and notice where the key comes out. Because right below that slot, there is another slot that we're going to use with a flathead screwdriver to open the remote up. Okay, so there's a little shallow little slot down here. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but let's see, how does that look? It's right below it, right here like that. Put the flathead screwdriver in here like this and give it a turn. All right, and that opens the remote without doing any damage to the remote at all. So you come around here, just pop it open. All right, take it apart like that. The back side is where the battery is. Just pop it up. Battery size is a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down. When you get your new battery, put it in there like that. All the words should be facing down. You won't see nothing. And if you need a battery, check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one of those. If you need one of those, it'll be the correct size. Everything. Start at the top, work your way down, snap this guy together. And you got to make sure, like I put this together wrong, that this chrome piece here is lined up good or it won't go back together. So I'll fix this real quick. Snap it all together like that, and then put the emergency key back in. If it locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. And if you want to see more Kia content, hit the subscribe button.